India an emerging global player. The manufacturing industry, the key to fostering India's dynamic growth. The challenge of growth faces most industries today. Manufacturing industries like engineering, automobiles, auto components, tools, etc. need to continually evolve, innovate and develop. The precision and skill that these sectors demand needs a highly trained and conversant human resource. The need for such a highly skilled workforce was first felt during independence by an industrializing India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's vision saw the necessity of forming a learning center that could train and create such a force. Together with Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, he envisioned an institute where special skilled development could be honed even as research activities were pursued. Such an institute was established at Central Scientific Instrument Organization. The parent organization has stimulated the growth of the indigenous instrument industry. Dedicated to research, design and development of scientific and industrial instruments, it would serve as the guiding spirit of the institute. The Indo-Swiss Training Center was thus born, on the wings of Pandit Nehru's vision and rested on the foundation of the new national spirit.
I am very happy that I got a chance to join such a practical-oriented work.
If a person comes in ISTC, he'll be technically sound.
People from all around the country are a part of this institute. हमारा एक्सपोजर जो है वो तो डिग्री वालों से भी काफ़ी अच्छा है.
I'll be preferring to go for a highly paid job, but in the future, who knows, maybe I'll be owning a company.
I did better than some of the boys, so I got in mechatronics in among the top 15.
I'm ready to face the real world on myself.
ISTC, the feather in the cap of CSIO, ably fulfilled the need of the hour. As we stand here on this very day, ISTC enters the golden jubilee year of its foundation.
The foundation stone was laid by Mr. Fritz Real of Swiss Foundation for Technical Assistance.
These people had to go on 31st of July 1968. Thereafter, we Indian staff and we took over.
In partnership with the Swiss Foundation, it took up the challenging task of producing quality technical manpower with superior skills.
Since the laboratory is always working on current and future programs and with the large number of students and scientists available, this mentorship which is available may not be available at other places.
This is the force that is the driver of India's scientific and technical success story.
They build me starting from student as a diploma holder, then degree holder I become. Then I become from a prestigious institute, Punjab Engineering College postgraduate. Then from Punjab University I become the doctorate. And this long journey, this all due to the ISTC only.
Today, ISTC alumni continue to take up challenging tasks in the manufacturing sector.
I am so much confident that I can manufacture any good optical instrument which can compete the world market.
ISTC is the backbone of what I am doing today.
The best thing came to me when I got the national award as the best entrepreneur in the country from the Ministry of Science and Technology.
It is here in these classrooms and labs that it all began. Today's graduates from these labs are much in demand in premier organizations like HCL, Siemens, Moser-Baer and many more.
ISTC focused on not only the skills but also the competencies, and I think that was what got me started quicker with all my jobs that I did.
This prestigious institute trains students in the areas of instrument technology, die and mold making, and mechatronics and industrial automation. These courses are approved by All India Council for Technical Education.
Course curriculum in 4 years has been so designed where more than 60-70% is a practical and hands-on. Whatever you do by hand, that goes right into your mind and it stays there forever.
The 3-year diploma in instrument technology is most in demand. It offers skill-oriented training on various conventional machines. The training helps imbibe industrial work culture and builds the concept of precision. The students work on specialized jobs from the industry and R&D projects.
The type of training which they get here, the environment in which they work here, they are finding it very easy to set up their own enterprises.
A 4-year advanced diploma in die and mold making includes training in special machines, example CNC milling, wire EDM, etc.
Your mindset becomes such that you start thinking practically and technically.
When it comes to workshop, we have the skills.
Then there is the 4-year advanced diploma in mechatronics and industrial automation, which too is in complete tune with the industry's needs.
We had a tie-up with one of the university in Rajasthan. Those students who are eligible and are interested in take up higher education, they may still go at a lateral entry level to do B.Tech. What we feel is an advanced diploma followed by an engineering will prove to be much more powerful.
The academic focus is maintained by a team of qualified and dedicated lecturers and teachers. The center's educational tours and industrial attachment programs ensure that the trainees get a first-hand exposure of real-life environment in industrial units.
This is the busiest hour, a buzz with activity. You can almost feel the enthusiasm and acceleration of the trainees even as they work individually. The environment replicates real life and its challenges. That is why stress is laid on the virtues of commitment, punctuality, and pride in work.
The excellent training is backed by exceptional infrastructure. The conference rooms are large and airy, while the hostel rooms and spacious canteen aim to make the students stay comfortable.
Extracurricular activities, they regularly happen here, like volleyball matches, cricket matches, cultural program.
काफ़ी एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ मैं और स्पोर्ट्स में भी काफ़ी खेला है मैंने.
Finally, as the students are ready to graduate after completion of fun-filled and educative course years, there is a placement committee to help them find their proper places in life. This interacts with the industry and counsels the students on their career options.
I just recently got placed in a multinational company.
I got an opportunity to sit in the interview just because I was a part of ISTC, otherwise normal person can't get it.
Human resource development has been one of the strong activities of CSIO carried out at its respective units, namely Chennai, Delhi and Chandigarh. Delhi and Chennai units have been focusing on the DST-sponsored training program on biomedical instruments, analytical instruments and other related topics of relevance to defense personnel and industry. One of the strong forte has been the capsule programs for overseas candidates operated through the scheme of ITEX CAP of Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, which is split into 2 equal periods of 4 weeks duration each at Delhi and at CSIO ISTC Chandigarh. On an average, 42 programs covering a total number of 952 participants have been carried out in this decade. The other key program is Technopreneur Promotion Program, that is TEP, which is a mechanism to promote individual innovators to become technology-based entrepreneurs, that is technopreneurs. The continuous guidance has been provided by TUX CSIO Chandigarh to the innovators for R&D engineering consultancy, patent guidance and support counseling, etc.
ISTC is uniquely placed to cater to the requirement of the technical manpower at academic as well as R&D institution and also at the manufacturing stages, because they are the one who are abreast with the state-of-the-art knowledge and moreover they have the hands-on experience.
As I stand here at the doorway of this historic center, I almost feel the ambience pulsate with the seamless blend of the past, present and the future. The centre's success is a testimony to the vision and mandate of CSIO.
A vision dreamt 50 years ago.
It really amazes me where we started and where we reached,
A struggle that saw many challenges.
We always optimistic that they will achieve whatever they want.
A story that speaks of hurdles crossed.
1971 September, when I entered in ISTC, that I want to build up my career. And when I started building up my career with the practical exposure, which is very rarely to get in India.
A present that shines brighter each day.
Major part of the students, they are in foreign countries. They have gone there, they have set up their industries there.
It's one of the best colleges in India.
You have a great career ahead. You should be proud of the institution we are studying.
The ISTC banner is always in the hands of the ISTC.
A future full of promises.
My future goal is make my college proud, make Indosys proud.
Job opportunities will be pretty much high for me.
By getting an advanced diploma from ISTC, I'm getting a 4.5 lakh package.
ISTC is truly a jewel in the CSIO's crown.
Come, send your awards to ISTC. We offer exciting opportunities to them. Not only the good job opportunities, but further career growth. Therefore, we are a good destination to many of the students who want to take up this technical education as their source of learning.